This is how you can use Liminal to create some excitement to a drum track. I'll first play it bypassed so you can hear just the dry drum sound. So with Liminal, I'm going to be adding some overdrive, some grain, and then some wave shaping, and I'm going to be setting that to essentially all the lanes. It sounds like this. If that is sounding a little bit too heavy-handed, you can always adjust the mix so that you are blending the dry signal in with the affected signal, and that will sound something like this.